Hello guys, good afternoon. And today we are going to discuss about the React coding question which were asked for the front-end developer as well as like React developer interview. So let's get started with the particular question. And I have discussed some coding question in the previous video. So let's get started for that particular. So today we are going to solve one question which I got during my interview process, that addition of two digits with the two input field in a React component. So let's get started with that. Yeah. Sorry, I am already in that particular folder, so no need to go into that. Npx create. So you guys already know that uh, for the creation of React app with the help of a Node package model, so we basically required npx like your Node.js install in our system, and then we have to like follow this command npx create React app and our app name. So remember that as you are a experienced developer you already know, but the person who is like fresher, they don't know that much about the React and Java, all these things, so they should remember these things. So I will just pause the video because it will take some time to create app. Yeah, so let's start guys. The app is get created. So after creation of app, we have to go into that particular directory. So for that, with if you are using Windows, you need to follow the like cd and yeah. So that's it. Then to run basic app, we have command npm start, which will run our React app, and it will by default show into your default browser which you are settled. Most of the people now use Chrome, but some are use Microsoft Edge as well. So it will run into that particular default browser in your application in your system. So let's get start. Okay, it's loading. Maybe my internet is little slow. That's why it went into that particular thing. Okay, but it will load soon. Yeah. So by default, if we check the project structure of our React application, it will get node modules. So basically node in under node module folder, we have all the directory which are required to like run our React application or our web app with JavaScript. We have that default packages and all that in public folder. Only the main part is our index.html. Here our application core structure is here, that HTML structure which gives us the like access of our web application through this. Look, if you want to change the title, it will change and all that. So basic stuff is there, and this icon, and we don't need, so we can delete that. Under source, the main content where we need to like do our actual coding for the application, we have to do here under the source directory. And let's see, here app.js is there. This is the like main file of our application app.js, and one more important file is that index.js. So basically under index.js our application is wrap here in this particular file, and in under app.js we are basically rendering our component. Our routing is defined in the app.js file, and our app is like wrap up in the index.js file with the help of like React strict mode, and if we use some kind of other libraries and in that case. Okay, so let's get started. So basically we need a component, so I will create one component folder, and under that I will create one file which are the question is right. So basically the question is right, what we have to create two input fields and then we need to do addition. So I will show you that thing basically. Okay, so this is the like, I guess my auto suggestion is not working, because if we search we will get automatically component creation. Maybe the extension has some its problem. No, it's not working. Okay, let me check. I will just, yeah, guys. So if your VS Code is not suggesting the auto suggestion, then you have to install this ES7 plus React Redux React Native snippet. So it will give us the like features like auto suggestion and all that for the syntax. So let's see RIFC. So which is basically for the React arrow function. Okay, yeah. So I just simply created this one. No, one component. And here the question is what we have to create one like a two input field, right? So for that particular we need two value, but in functional component we pass value with the help of state. For that we need a react hook. So like value 1 equals to use state, which we will auto import. Same here, just add a value 2. Okay, and here under these particular things we have to create input field. With the help of on change we are just setting that value, like set value 1 e dot. It's not compulsory. As a event we took e, but if you want another thing you can take that. Okay, same thing we can do for the second thing or second input. Okay, here instead of value 1 value 2 is there, and here same. Okay guys, so guys, look at here what I did. I just created two input field, one input handler where I am doing the addition of this particular things, and we are getting the results. Okay, so let's see. We will see the like result. So 23 plus 25, what you will expect like 48, right? But what we are getting 23 25. Why this is happening? Because by default it will not treating this particular value as a number. It will treating as a addition like a string, and that's why we are getting 23 beside 25. That's why it's a complete a string. It's not a like number. And in basically in the programming language with the JavaScript or Python, we see that we get addition of string concatenation is happening here. It's not a number. So for this purpose I will show you the another like main solution where we exactly did that. So here guys, what I did, I just passed this value as a parse float, or we can pass as a parse integer this value, and setting this value to the like value, right, with the help of set number. Then what we are doing basically with this particular things, we are just passing that value as a number, and it will here the simple addition is there, and setting this result to the set results, and under this result we are just showing that result, and on click we are calling that additional function. But with input handler I am just setting that value as a number, and let's see, we will see the result. 22 plus 22, it's now it will be 44. So that's the thing. So guys, it's not that much simple that we say that yeah, it's addition of two number with input field that will be like 22 plus 22 44. It's not happening. It's by default take as a string, and string concatenation happens. So you guys need to do all these things. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you guys.